Changing your daily withdrawal limit on Gemini can help you manage your funds more effectively. Follow these steps to adjust your limit quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Gemini platform by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account management features. Step 3. Select withdrawal limits. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled withdrawal limits or similar. This section will provide you with information about your current limits and options to change them. Step 4. Request a change. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submitting your request, check for a confirmation message or email from Gemini. Ensure that your new withdrawal limit is reflected in your account settings. By following these steps, you can easily adjust your daily withdrawal limit on Gemini. Always remember to keep your account secure and monitor your transactions regularly.